Nancy Fetzer's Literacy Connections, Independent Centers for Emergent Reading. Blue Level, Book 19, Letter W. Well, hello, my little reading buddies. This is Ella, here with your letter of the week. Your letter for this week is W. Say it with me. W. Great job! My friends Chase and Oliver are here to help you learn and practice the sound for the letter W. Are you ready, readers? Here we go. This is the capital W. And this is the lowercase w. The letter W makes the sound W. Say the sound with me, friends. W. Fabulous! Now let's practice. This is a wagon. Wagon begins with W. Listen. W. W. Wagon. Try it with me. W. W. Wagon. Ooh la la! That was fancy. Okay, kiddos, this is a whistle. Whistle begins with W. Listen. W. W. Whistle. Let's do it together. W. W. Whistle. Wow! And this is a wagon. Wagon begins with W. Listen. W. W. Wagon. Read it with me. W. W. Wagon. What wonderful reading! I wish to go to the water slide. Please wagon me to the water slide. Now you wait just a minute, Mr. Fancy Pants. I'll pull your wagon, but stop making that whistle wail. Whoa! Stop the whistle! Stop the whistle! Let's do some more. This is a wave. Wave begins with W. Listen. W. W. Wave. All together now. W. W. Wave. Super job! And this is a waterfall. Waterfall begins with W. Listen. W. W. Waterfall. Try it with me. W. W. Waterfall. Wonderful work. Now that I think about it, was this really a good idea? Chasers! I'm waving to you from way down here in the water. Wowzers, Chase! That waterfall is tall and winding. You be careful now, brave little monkey. Look at these fun pictures. This is a wasp. Wasp begins with W. Listen. W. W. Wasp. Let's read together. W. W. Wasp. Fantastic! And this is watermelon. Watermelon begins with W. Listen. W. W. Watermelon. Now you try it with me. W. W. Watermelon. That was awesome. Waving my friendly wasps along to my welcoming garden. What? Wasps? Why? My watermelon is wonderfully delicious. Here's our last set of pictures for the letter W. This is a wand. Wand begins with W. Listen. W. W. Wand. Read it with me. W. W. Wand. Brilliant! And these are windmills. Windmills begins with W. Listen. W. W. Windmill. All together now. W. W. Windmill. Such smart little readers you are. Watch me make wind so the windmills will spin. Wonderful wind, Oliver. Even my wand has wiggled free. Wow, Ollie, this is fun. Woo-hoo! Okie dokie, little reading buddies. Now it's time for us to practice reading with the letter W. Are you ready? Great! Let's get to it. So, when we see the capital W, we will say the letter name, W. And when we see the lowercase w, we will say the sound that the letter makes, W. And when we see a picture, we will say the name of the picture, worm. Now let's read together. Here we go. W. W. Worm. W. 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 Whistle. W. 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 Watermelon. W. W. Wagon. W. 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 Wig. W. 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 Whale. W. 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 Wasp. W. W. What a perfect job! Your letter for this week is W. This is the capital W. And this is the lowercase w. The letter W makes the sound W. Make sure you practice.